Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just coming over here to our next victim. Had a couple requests for showing how to take that out. Alright, so on a newer model 6.7, 17s and 18s, the fuel filter looks like this. Here's the old one, our 2-port design. The return line clipped on here, and then a yellow line clipped on to the return line, and then we had a little blue one go on here. Well, what they did now is they've made a separate port for the return line, so it no longer goes and piggybacks between here and here. So we have 3 lines: supply, return, and I don't know, fuel from the filter to the high pressure pump. So first connector we got is this B1 here. These ones are kind of hard to squeeze together once you get the dirt, I guess, moved out of them. But you're taking both of these little things, these little fingers, you're going to squeeze them together and you're going to push them through. Just so that they're no longer, let me show you the bottom part of that. See the red portion? The red portion goes down, and then we pull our line off. Little fuel's gonna leak. This one, same concept, except we have 2 fingers, one here and one here. We wanna, I'm just using my 2 fingers here, we wanna slide these towards me, and I'm gonna push out at the same time. This thing's got some dirt in here. Okay, I had to push really hard, but pull them and then push it out. And then just, maybe if you get one of your little screwdrivers here, you can just make sure it's out all the way. Yep. And then we're gonna go ahead, twist, and pull the line off. Okay. And then our return line, the last one, the easiest one. I'm gonna go ahead and take this little brown cover, slide it off. Oh, I already got it. So it's on. Now it's off. On. Off. And then there's a button here and a button right on the other side. You're just gonna simply push the 2 buttons, button, button, and pull it right off. Now the last part to remove the filter from the vehicle is you're going to turn it counterclockwise, 90 degrees maybe, and then simply going to take the filter out, leave it facing up so you're not douching and drooling all over your engine. Although this one we did leak already, so we're going to have to clean it off. But this is how you remove and replace your fuel filter on your 2017-2018 PowerStroke diesel. Tell me what you guys think about that in the comment section below, and if anybody's ever had problems replacing this filter or taking those lines off, drop me a comment. Until next time guys, see ya.